football. Stop what you're doing. No. You can do numerous things, but you set a fix on a certain thing also. You know, we all got hobbies, got little things we like to do on our spare time. But wherever that heart is, whatever keeps you up at night and keeps you thinking about it, not your girlfriend, not your boyfriend, whatever you can't go without, every minute you eat and every minute you sleep and you driving, well, not drive, hopefully none of y'all driving.
I do.
Practice. Ain't even good. But everything that consumes your mind like, man, I would love to do this. I really want to do this. That's what you need to pursue. 100 years from now, we all going to be gone. Everybody in the room. We all going to be gone. Sure, watch. And if you is, you ain't doing nothing, much of nothing when you're 100. But you get my drift. Right? Most time. 100 years from now? How old are you right now? 14. How old are you? Okay. So 148 years from now, I think it's safe to say, well, I'll be gone. For the most part. So what will you do, Oscar? 148 years from now, everybody in this room will be gone.
40?
148.
48.
So check it out.
Our babies are going to be gone too. No, they're not. No, they're
What?
Oh. 40 months. Check it out.
They might.
Hold on, focus up. So with that being said, when you look at history books, you see people in there, right? That were years before you, right?
Hundreds of years.
Right, 2,000. So what will you do? What will you do with your life that will stand the test of time? Huh? Now, that's not for you to answer that. That's for you to really ponder on. What's your name, sir? Jose. What will Jose do with his life